Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Redmi Note 11 Pro and Android build, because NFC behavior depends on firmware. Once done, make sure the battery is above roughly 20% and remove any thick magnetic or metal case to avoid range loss. Now open Settings, go to Connection and Sharing, and toggle NFC on. This activates the hardware. You're doing this to let the phone sense tags and devices, so don't skip the case and firmware checks. You now set what NFC should do. Go to NFC settings, choose a default action, like file transfer or your payment app, because that determines how the phone reacts when it senses something. Once configured, get a known good NFC tag or a contactless card to test reading and writing. Place the tag near the upper middle back of the phone. That's where the coil typically sits. If you need to write data, use a trusted tag writer app and follow prompts to confirm. This prevents accidental wipes. You finish by verifying the action. The phone should show a notification, open the chosen app, or read the tag content. This confirms success. If it fails, reboot the phone, re-enable NFC, and try a different tag to rule out a bad tag. This isolates hardware versus software faults. Also make sure no case or magnet is blocking the coil, that system updates are applied, and your payment or default app is set correctly. These steps fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.